In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a photo to ChatGPT using your phone or another supported device. To get started, open the ChatGPT app on your device. Make sure you're using a phone or a device that supports image uploads and camera access. Once the app is open, begin a new chat so you can send your image in a fresh conversation. Starting a new chat can make things easier to follow, especially if you want ChatGPT to focus only on the photo and your current request. Next, look beside the message box at the bottom of the screen. You should see a plus sign or an attachment button. Tap that button to open the sharing options. From there, choose the camera option. This will let you take a photo directly inside the app instead of uploading one from your gallery. If your device asks for permission to use the camera, go ahead and allow it. This is a normal step, and it simply gives the app access to your camera so you can capture an image. If you accidentally deny permission, you may need to enable it later in your device settings before continuing. Once the camera opens, take your photo. Try to make sure the image is clear, well lit, and focused on the subject you want ChatGPT to analyze. A sharper photo usually leads to a more useful response, especially if you're asking about text, objects, products, screenshots, or anything with visual detail. After taking the picture, add a message explaining what you want ChatGPT to do with the image. This part is important because the photo provides visual context, but your message tells ChatGPT what kind of help you want. For example, you might want a description of the image, help identifying something in it, a summary of visible text, or assistance understanding what you're looking at. The clearer your message is, the better the response is likely to be. Finally, send the photo and wait for ChatGPT's response, depending on your connection and the image itself. This may take a few seconds. Once the reply appears, you can continue the conversation and ask follow-up questions if you need more detail or want ChatGPT to focus on a specific part of the image, and that's it. That's how to take a photo and send it to ChatGPT directly from your device in a simple and easy way.